as if you were to die tomorrow and learn as if you were to live forever. And that's what the father of our nation used to think. A very good morning to respected jury members and everyone. Myself Itisha Dikshit from Shivaji Nagar, Sarai Mira, Kannauj, Uttar Pradesh, studying in 12th standard in St. Xavier Senior Secondary School, Kannauj, Uttar Pradesh. And today I'm very happy to be a part of online education exam which is conducted by GRF, Gandhi Research Foundation, and my today's theme is to speak on what would Gandhi do today. So the name of Mahatma Gandhi transcends the bond of race and religion, state and nation, and he has emerged as a prophetic voice of the 21st century. You know, he is a prophetic voice. More than half a century ago, Gandhiji, through his peaceful activism and promotion of equality and justice, unified a diverse land by walking through the dusty paths of its villages, carrying a message of freedom and peace, because he wanted India's villages, because he wanted Indian villages to develop in all the aspects. It would have been very difficult for Gandhi to see how far the nation has veered away from his vision of India. Communal tensions and violence are at peak level. Economic disparity between rich and the poor has increased a lot. It has increased exponentially. And you know what he used to think? He used to think that he would develop India in all the aspects. He would develop Indian villages in all the aspects. And it's the time for us to wake up and remember the man who once united our great nation. The man whose ideas inspired hundreds of thousands of people through the world. We can once again inspire us to greatness, and we can follow his vision, because he wanted India to use Swadeshi products, and due to FDI today we are using 70 to 80% of products that are from foreign companies. And his dream was to make India green India, clean India. So we should follow his dream, and I think if he would be today, so he would do that. Firstly, he wanted Indian students to based on knowledge, not just to grab the history, not just to grab the notes. No, he did not want that. And one of the most important pillar of Indian democracy is corruption-free India. And if he would be today, so I think we should not have this word in our dictionary that is called corruption, because I think he would make India corruption-free totally. And the conditions have been improved very much, because he wanted India to develop in all the aspects. He wanted us to develop, and his main dream was to develop the youth of nation and its villages, because he wanted to develop the villages of India, to make them more powerful, to make them more independent. And his last dream that he used to think was making connections with Pakistan. So if he would be alive today, I think that would be possible. And by these words I say that we as the youth of this nation will make their dreams come true. Thank you so much.